Java statements are executed top to bottom unless this flow is altered by the evaluation of Boolean expressions. Booleans were briefly mentioned while discussing data types, and to quickly review, variables of the Boolean data type can only store a value of true or false. In this video, we will look at one of the three different types of operators used in Java to evaluate Boolean expressions. There are two equality operators in the Java programming language: equal typed out equal, and not equal typed out equal. As you may have guessed, these operators compare two values or operands and return a value of true or false based on whether the two operands are equal or not. Notice the equal operator consists of two equal signs, not to be confused with one equal sign that we use in assigning value to a variable. Let's look at an example using these operators to understand exactly what they return. Using only a println statement, we can see what is returned when using these operators. If we put 2, then the equal operator typed out equal followed by another 2, and the parentheses and run the program, you can see that true is printed to the console. And if we change the value of one of these operands and run the program again, you see false is printed to the console because they no longer are equal. If we use the not equal operator, once again typed out equal, and compare two numbers, you can see we'll only get true printed to the console if the two operands are not equal. These operators will work on any other data types, such as strings, as you will see in this next example. In the next video, we will look at relational operators.